Yes, okay. Sometimes I feel down or depressed. Depressed is a big word, but my energy I feel very down with the energy. That's happened. Sometimes my energy is up and then goes down. It is natural. It is a cycle, and the natural cycle of life, like be in the day and in the night. But very often I don't want to stay in the night in my life. So what I do is I do very simple things. For example, I like to stay in the nature, and the nature help me a lot to recharge myself, to reconnect myself, because when I feel depressed, means that my soul is far away from me. So, and I, through the nature, through the hugging, for example, a tree, or say, I love you, thank you to the animals that I see, the insects that there are here, I feel reconnected with myself. So when I feel down and depressed, it is about me and my being. So I connect, of course, my Unipili, my subconscious mind, but I connect with this aspect of me only with love, because I feel that when I'm down, it is some love is missing within me. So, for example, when I hug a tree, it is I say I hug you, my dear Onipili. So, cleaning is for me is apply love to myself, especially when I'm depressed. I know that sometimes it is hard to do that, but doing simple things. Maybe some I like, for example, walk around, and I do, uh, especially to looking to me and to taking care of me, because when there is depression, means that I know that I do not take care of me. So, and hooponopono helped me, because hooponopono uh, feel me connected with every beings in the world, because it is a never-ending work to let go the bad thoughts, to let go the fears, the anxiety, and it is, I think that it is normal to have that, but it is also normal, and it is our purpose, our task, to let go there, not to be stuck in there. And I do that. Doing Ho'oponopono, say I love you, thank you to the trees, to the sky, to the clouds. That's my way to stay well.